Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on formation.
Welcome back to the crypto space, and in this video we will be talking about formation and also known as FI. And I hope you guys know this video. As you guys know, this is not a financial advice, and do your own research as well. And that's what I got to say.
So looking at the coin market cap of this coin, you'll see the price is very, very small, and it also has a tiny market cap. So this coin is just off the bat, it looks like a good coin to invest in, but obviously you don't know the fundamentals yet. But we'll be letting you know of what the coin actually does, and as we go on with the video. But as you can see, the volume isn't very much, but it is 1.6 million, but it's gone down 50% is what I mean. So that's dropped a fair bit, but obviously the price dropped a fair bit, but that means good price to buy now. Not financial advice, of course, but let's look at its all-time high. What was its all-time high? So as you can see, it did have an all-time high about 4 months ago, which is when most of the coins were having that all-time high around June, May, and it was 46 cents. And as you can see, right now it's only 15 cents. So that is a 3x right there if it does break its all-time high. And because it's got such a small market cap, not much money will need to flow into the market for it to reach that all-time high once again. But of course, that's all relative, so we can't necessarily just be going off that. But obviously you need to know how much we need. So we need about another $15 million for this market to go back to around 45 cents. But yeah, let's get straight into the video of what this coin actually does. But before we actually get straight into it, I just want to say, please check out the video we did on Plutus. I think this is going to help you out a lot. It's about 2 videos ago, but definitely go check that out. I think it was uploaded on these are all pre-recorded the same day, but I think Saturday that one should be up. So if you watch that, that'll be great. But let's get straight into the video.
Yep, so as you can see from their website, they also have an application that you can download. You can also buy FORM on it, so Form, and you can also launch the app. You can get this from KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, and PancakeSwap. So there's a lot of different places where you can actually get this. They also have the thing called Smart Yield Farming, where you can basically have beta, alpha, gamma, and form. Basically adapts the three core principles from all weather by Bridgewater for yield farming environments, and yeah, all cross-chain platforms and yielding platforms. As you can see, they also have revolutionizing DeFi portfolio construction, which may help you kind of automatically make your own uh, portfolio construction for you. That's decentralized finance. And over time, they have the smart yield farming 2.0 that they are working on. Also, grabbing risk as well at the core of an asset, their APY asset and standard deviations with correlation. So as you can see here, this is basically the radically optimized risk reward ratio, which engineers a fixed return. So 50% of Ethereum allocation and 30% of Binance Bitcoin BSC allocation and 30% of Hexo allocation. And it shows you what strategies and what yield strategies they actually do. And it shows you how much APY and how much risk you have on the table that you can do.
So as you can see, banks are also removed, but you also get a debit card. So this is actually really cool. But a lot of coins are doing this, so it's not exactly unique, but it's still a very cool thing to have. So you'll be able to spend your yield, so what you'll be getting from your staking rewards, linked to a debit card, which is linked to your wallet. So you'll be able to spend that like you would every day. But what is the main thing about this coin? Why is it so good? The reason, and personally, I think this is so good, of course, not financial advice, but nobody tells you how much you can lose, but they will. They actually will. As you can see here, they're showing you the risk. They're the only ones that are telling you, oh, there's a risk here if you're doing this, and here's how much you can lose. Most coins, it's not exactly like that. Most like exchanges and staking and things like this. So as you can see, just like PancakeSwap and any other coin that's kind of like this, there's going to be a swap feature which you'll be able to swap all these coins for whatever you're trying to swap it for. So, or you can do it like this.
So as you can see here, they have their own farm, which you can deposit both USDT and Form in there, and you got to deposit the equal amount. So let's say you got $1,000, you got to deposit $500 in Form and $500 in USDT, so that you can actually be accepted, and you can actually be a liquidity provider here, and you will be earning apparently on Form, and it will show you how much totally staked, and yeah, you just have to connect your wallet, and it's basically low risk, and you can earn with high APR because you are risking both assets.
And as you see, pure returns, low risk, stake and earn with high APR. Really like how they word that. So they've also got a bridge, which is where basically, so for example, you've got a form and it's on the ERC20 chain. You need to switch it to the the Binance Smart Chain. So you can do this using the bridge. So it's just the standard things that all of them will have, like PancakeSwap have this. But yeah, so this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really, really helps us out. And yeah, thank you, and have a lovely rest of your day.